Hello, my viewers. Wallpaper is back and it's bolder, smarter, and more creative than ever. Forget everything you thought you knew about wallpaper because today you are diving into next level wallpaper ideas you have never seen before. Whether you love minimalist design, bold statements, or tech integrated walls, there is something here that will inspire your next big transformation. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on future design inspiration. So let's get started. So first up, 3D and textured wallpaper. These aren't just patterns on paper, these are architectural feature in their own right. Think sculpture geometrics, lines, finishes, and even fox leather or concrete effects. They add depth, dimensions, and drama without the need for expensive construction. Use 3D wallpaper on one feature wall, like behind your bed or in a dining room enclave, to create a luxury look without overwhelming the space. Want a wall that tells your story? Custom digital wallpapers lets you print anything from hand-drawn art to personal photos to AI generated patterns. Whether it's a galaxy for your kids' room or your favorite skyline, only limit is your imagination. It's an easy way to personalize your space and it's perfect for rental too, thanks to removable vinyl options. Design meets sustainability with eco-conscious wallpaper made from material like cork, recycled paper, and natural fibers. These aren't only environmentally friendly, but they also bring warmth and texture to your interiors. Pair eco wallpapers with wooden furniture and indoor plants for a calming biophilic aesthetics. Want to make your space feel bigger and brighter? Metallic and reflective wallpapers bounce light around the room, adding sparkle and sophistications, perfect for powder rooms, entryways, and anywhere you want a touch of glam. Balance shine with matte finishes in furniture and flooring to avoid visual overload. Don't forget the ceiling, the most underused canvas in your home. Wallpapering the ceiling or the fifth wall can completely change how a room feels. From starry skies to floral prints, these trends add surprise and depth. Use this in rooms where you spend a lot of time laying down, like bedrooms, lounge. It turns your ceiling into a conversation starter. If you are renting or love to change things up often, removable peel and stick wallpapers is a game changer. Modern versions are easy to apply, bubble resistant, and look just as high-end as traditional wallpapers. Apply it to backsplashes, closets, or even furniture for a quick upgrade without the commitment. Some additional bonus tips which can help you to choose an to find out the best way of your homes. If you are using wallpaper in your living room, then make sure you will have to use wallpaper design according to the space. If you are using a bigger size wallpaper and your wall is lesser in size, so it will not look easy, it will not look straight. So what you will have to do, you will have to select the wallpaper size according to the wall. Also keep in mind, always put your wallpaper above the sofa wall. Make sure use wallpaper and the wall trim combination very well. Don't go such a flowerish and such a mix up things. You will have to use the modular things. You will have to use the modern ways to apply wallpapers. Don't put the wallpaper excess in your wall. Put that in the proportion only. If you are highlighting your wall in 1/3 part of your wall, so keep 2/3 part of your wall calm, clean and plain. That will highlight your design. And if you are highlighting your wall in 2/3 manner, so you will have to keep your 1/3 portion of your wall plain, so that it will highlight your 2/3 part of your room. Secondly, choose wallpaper according to your furniture, or choose furniture according to your wallpaper. Both will go to each other perfectly, blend with together, and that will reflect your design, your trend and your stylish home. And if you are using wallpaper in your bedroom, so always keep in mind, just use in the highlighted wall or the accent wall, not everywhere. You can repeat the pattern of trims in any other wall. Yes, you can, but don't use the wallpaper much. It will overload the design and not reflect and not highlight what you are going to highlight. So these are the specific use. And also one more bonus tip, you can use wallpaper, accent wall, plus also don't forget to use mirror in your bedroom, so it will reflect your wallpaper and shows you how much depth you have in your room. So these are the quick tips which you have to follow up, and these basic tips will increase the chance of your home making trendy. So I hope you really like the concept. If you really like the concept, please save that. If you like any concept, any options, please save that for future and use in your interiors, whether you are designing your living room or the bedroom or the entryways. Never mind, use that in your home interior and make your home trendy, make your home stylish within the budget. Don't go for expensive things. Use simple wallpapers and just take the change. I hope you really like the concept. From 3D walls to smart tech and eco-chic prints, wallpaper is no longer just background. It's the main event. Which of these trends was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And if you got inspired today, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and share it with your fellow design lovers.